to be opening the Sim, and Porinju Sim always has some very interesting ideas. And there you go, let's open it up. It'll just come up on your screen. Let me turn and see what is coming there. Clear blue skies right now. And there you go. Proteon. Why do you like Proteon, Porinju? Any reason why you've liked this stock? And you've been owning it for a while?
No, Protein it has been our latest stock pick. We have been buying it last few months in the weakness at the counter because there was some large seller selling some maybe 5-10% of the holdings. And this is a solid, professionally managed company. And, this is a company where you can bet on the digitization world of India and the world. They are even planning to go beyond India. And, they have been traditionally, the legacy business has been the PAN issuance, and they have been, the custodian like for the NPS, the National Pension Service, and the Adult Pension Yojana. So they have been almost 100%, they have been making some little money in those transactions happens. And they have given a wonderful service, and everybody is a winner in that. Now, I feel this company is also associated with ONDC, and in all the new age businesses we are building up. And this is originally an NSC promoted company many years ago, 15 years ago or so. And now it's around 6,000 crores market cap. It came to some 4,000 crores recently. So we thought of, as a compounder, this is not going to double, triple in a way. As a safe compounder, high quality company with a futuristic business model. And they are entering into new verticals in digitization and record keeping kind of activities, which India and the whole world is moving in that direction. So it's a very sober idea, nothing to be excited, but it can be a decent compounder. On that expectation, we have been buying. I think we hold around 4%. Slowly we have been accumulating, and that's all. So I want to say very clearly, this is not a stock recommendation. Stock has moved in the recent past, but we are comfortable holding on to.
Porinju's second idea, Proteon, Raymond. You owned Raymond in the past, you've liked it in the past, and you still like it. Why is that?
Raymond, I should say it's a past idea. And again, this has moved up significantly in the last 1 year and 2 years and 3 years since we bought. Something like 8x, or from the lowest rate, it has gone 10x. So here, basically, I found, if you remember, initially when we discussed the stock on it now, this used to be around 3,500 crores market cap, and the IPO of Minever was coming at around 20,000 crores valuation. That was reports in those days. So now, even today, including both the companies of Raymond, Minever is much higher priced. And when we say Raymond's office building is valued at 6,000-7,000 crores, and the company was available in the market at 2,500 crores. So it doesn't match, and it's a solid business, solid brand name, and decent balance sheet. Now the company is almost debt free. So and the real estate, different verticals. I don't want investors to buy the stock at these levels. I'm not recommending. It all depends on your gut feeling. Now, what is listed currently is the real estate business and the engineering verticals, including the aerospace and defense, which was acquired as Maini Precision recently. So this existing listed company right now will be 3 companies eventually. That's what promoters management has indicated. The real estate will be demerged, and the engineering will be 2 companies. One will be aerospace focused. The other one will be the remaining automobile and other defense related business. So I think a lot of value unlocking, and value unlocking to the full extent in favor of the minority shareholders is happening. So the stock has moved from 2,500 crores to more than 20,000 crores today. But I feel, so we have exited half of our holdings, and we are holding on to the remaining for the longer term. So investors depends on which sector you are bullish on. Now, lifestyle is a very different business, which will be listed after a month. and the remaining is, as I told, real estate and engineering. Especially the aerospace can be a stock, a space to watch. They can grow very big. It's a 30, 40-year-old relationship with companies like Safran and all globally, and Volvo, kind of very strong vendors. So we have to wait and watch. It's not a cheap stock right now. It was cheap year ago, 2 years ago, and 3 years ago. And investors should not get carried away with ideas coming up like this. Always stick to valuations and your comfort zone of valuation. And for that, no investor need a lot of doing CFA kind of things. It's all a very simple common sense approach, and you can find the safety margin of safety and the growth potential and how your investment can grow. Yes.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.